How to find system language settings on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find system language settings on Android phone. First, then open settings and now scroll down until you find system and updates. Click on it and here we'll find language. Click on it and then click language and region, and here we'll find language settings, or you can just search and type language and click on it and then click language and region, and here you can find the language settings. You can just add any language you want, just select it and it will be added. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.